Reparation technology. If your iPhone fall into water, then what you should do? Put your phone into rice, etc., etc., etc. They are just made you fool. First you have to clean your phone as much as possible, and of course you power off your phone. Second, give air to the point of charging connector by mouth or hair dryer and at the point of earphone. Third, if you have screwdriver, then just open the screen and disconnect the battery. It is easier to open iPhone LCD and see YouTube video where they will show you how to open iPhone. Finally, go and see a technician. Hopefully your phone would be fine.